A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to English class. Class 5th English Reader Book. Subject English. Limits of the Mind. This is our lesson about Eklavya, who was a sacrificing student and he never gave up in his life. He was more skilled in archery than Arjuna. Objective of this lesson. Objective of this lesson is to know that where there is a will, there is a way. If we have strong determination, nothing can stop us from going ahead. Message of this lesson. We can achieve anything with willpower, hard work and dedication in our life. So here we go. Memory frame. Key points. Main character. Eklavya. You can see here, this is Eklavya place where he lived. Eklavya lived away from Hastinapur. Why he lived away from Hastinapur? Because he was low-born and was not allowed. Low-borns were not allowed to mix up with high-born. Belonged to a poor family. Wanted to what he wanted. He wanted to learn this skill archery, hunting with the bow and arrow. Then from whom he wanted to learn? He wanted to learn it from Guru Dronacharya. And when Guru Dronacharya denied him to teach the skill, he made his statue out of tree trunk and he practiced all the day in front of this statue and became skilled. You can see here, made statue of Guru Dronacharya out of the tree trunk. Then Guru Dakshina. What happened? Guru was jealous because he wanted only Arjuna. Arjuna was favorite of Guru Dronacharya and he wanted only Arjuna to be the most skilled. So now when Eklavya became more skilled than Arjuna, then Guru Dronacharya asked for that give me Guru Dakshina if I am your Guru. Then he, without a question, Eklavya offered his right thumb in his feet, then fight. And when at last a fight took place between Kauravas and Pandavas in Kurukshetra. We all know about this fight. Then, after this word meanings, boundaries or want or limitations, chariots we know, two-wheeled horse vehicle, archery, bow hunting, taxophyllite, then chased, followed, shunned, rejected. Understand, grasp the meaning. Discrimination, make difference. Discrimination on the basis of caste, high caste, low caste, it was there. And side, to take a long deep breath. Then glaring, glare means stare, carved, engrave, statue, idol or sculpture. In temples you have seen idol of gods, and here it is of Guru Dronacharya. So this is, and then next, now what we will do? We will just look at these pictures and we will analyze the story. So this is first incident when his mother denies Eklavya that you cannot mix up with the high class princes, like you can see here where Eklavya lived. Eklavya lived away from Hastinapur. He was low-born. He was born in a poor family and he belonged to a low caste. They were not allowed to mix up with the family or these princes or the family of the princes or kings. So Guru Dronacharya one day took these princes for hunting, for practicing this skill in the forest. Then Eklavya wanted to learn archery and Guru Dronacharya denied him. He made a statue out of tree trunk. Then he became more skilled as he practiced all the day in front of the statue of the Guru. He became more skilled than Arjuna. And Guru could not tolerate this. He asked him that offer me your right thumb. Eklavya offered him his right thumb. Then in the end we can see Guru Dronacharya was sad because he wanted someone to fight, someone more skilled. Now Eklavya appeared and told him that I want to offer my services and I am double skilled. I can now, after losing my right thumb, I learned the skill from my left thumb and with my toes of the foot. Means he was more skilled. This is all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.